to start with. Do we have to move the decimal point? Yes. Why?
Make it a whole number.
Right, because our divisor has to be a whole number, right? So we got to move that decimal point over. So if we move the decimal point in the denominator over 2 places, do we have to move anything else?
Yes.
Yeah, decimal point in the numerator, right? So that would be 1297 divided by 579. Okay, so 579, numerator goes inside our division, division symbol. Okay, so what do we do first?
Bring the decimal point up.
Good. Put your decimal point after the 7 and bring that decimal point up. Okay? Alright, so we want to estimate, okay, does 579 does not go into 129, right? So that means we have to start in the units place. So let's say we're working with 580 and 1300 or 58. We can estimate this to 58 divided by 130. So roughly we're going to estimate that we need to divide by what? 50 by 2, right? And again, you know, that helps for estimate. And then you want to go ahead and multiply that quotient times your divisor. So 2 times 9, that's 18. 2 times 7, 14, 1 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10, and 1 is 11. Okay, so we have to borrow, right? So that means 17 minus 8 is 9. 8. 17 minus 8, that's going to be 9. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, yeah, we guessed right because now 139 is less than 579, right? So, since 579 doesn't divide into 139, we've got to do what? Add a 0, bring that down. So now, we're going to multiply 2 or 3. Yeah, 2 again. Because 3 is going to be way over 13, right? So multiply 2, and then again, that'll be the same number, 1158. So we're going to borrow again. And so that'll be 2. 8, 5 is 3, 1. Do we have to keep going? 2, yeah, 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, because I didn't have to borrow on that one. So, we have to keep going, right, because, well, it doesn't say, we'll go ahead and round to the nearest 100. So the next one, we have to again add a 0. And we can say that, well, 5 can divide into 23 possibly 4 times, right? So that means 579 may divide into 23 24 times. Let's see if it does. 4 times 9 is going to be 36. So that'll be 3. That means 4 times 7 is 28. 31. And so now we have 4 times 5 is 20, and 3 is 23. And so bring down to 4, and that'll be 0. The rest of it's just 4, right? So that means we would have to 579 doesn't go into 40, so we know that it would just be a 0 up there, and so we can stop there. And so this would be approximately equal to 2.24 pounds that was purchased.
So when you put squiggles in your equation lines,
That means approximately equal to, 'cause anytime you round off, bless you, anytime you round off, that's not an exact answer. Equal, this equal sign here, that means exact, that's an exact answer. But when you round off, that's no longer exact. So you use